Now, let's come to most important qigong concept. Okay, we know what is qi, we know what is qigong, but how qigong make it happen? How is the body's qi anatomy? In the Western medical society, you have physical anatomy, very clear, very detailed. But about the energy anatomy, it's still mystery. And again, so far we use the acupuncture theory that was developed 2,000-3,000 years ago. But can those chart still accurate 100%? Of course not. So because reason to the Western science is to take a long time try to understand and try to understand what the qi channel look like and what's the vessels, what their function. So far, we base it on the 2,000 years ago knowledge. So because reason we try to see so far, at least we can borrow the knowledge and try to agitate our thinking, stimulate our thinking. Then what is the body structure? Let's try to think about how body constructed. The first one to recognize body with two polarities. These two polarities so important for you to understand. Body constructed by one single cell. Okay, it doesn't matter from an egg and from sperm, or come from one of the cell of your body and clone. See, it doesn't matter where it comes from first cell. From these cells, continue to divide. When you divide it, and the body becomes developed. Every cell has a positive and negative. That means every cell like a small battery. Yeah, a small battery, that means can be charged and can be discharged. So when this cell continue to develop, okay, does body have two polarities? It becomes very important concept. Okay, you look at this belly coat, and this is about 6 weeks. Before 6 weeks, it called embryo, and after 6 weeks, it called fetus. And what's the difference of an embryo and fetus? 6 weeks. And this one, in the Western science, they call a bean, like a pea. The pea, remember this pea is this. Everything have a cavity. Cavity, that means the energy gather and synchronize. Every space has cavities. Okay? For example, you can see this is a sphere. You already know cavity in the center. All the energy here bounce back to the center. With this ellipse, there's two cavities. The energy bounce back from through the cavities. If you go here, bounce back to cavities. So these two become cavities because energy will gather. That means the energy has become so important. To Chinese Qigong, all the time in the Feng Shui, all the Qigong practice, they're looking for the cavities. Because once you get the cavities, then all the practice can be more effective and efficient. Okay, so the same thing, the body, where is these cavities? So you think about this structure, it's like a bean, it's an ellipse. So that's means because beginning for the 6 week already developed these two polarities. That's why energy can be trapped, and this between them is spinal cord. And after that, you can see the leg and arms start come out. And since then, they call fetus instead of embryo. So from here, you can see the two polarities. And when we grow up now, where are these two polarities? Remember earlier we mentioned about the scientists discovered we have two brains. Chinese call upper dantian, lower dantian. This become very important part of understanding.